Hi, I'm Dylan Jones.
And I'm Bo.lan. Join us as we travel to Thailand.
And we share our food secrets and how to cook Thai food.
This is about making Thai food at home with understanding, and it will be delicious.
So today we're going to do a lovely grilled pork salad with lychee.
เป็นยำคอหมูย่างใส่ลิ้นจี่ค่ะ
Okay, it's a great salad. It's lovely and refreshing. I'm going to start by doing the dressing. Maybe Bo, you want to start by doing some lychees?
Of course.
Cool. So I'm going to use 2 coriander roots and just a pinch of salt and pound it to a fine paste.
So I just open the top of the lychee, get the really small knife, try to debone the seed of the lychee out.
So should I do the garlic with the skin on or skin off today?
Oh, actually up to you.
Okay, maybe I'll do a combination of both. So we'll use 4 cloves of Thai garlic, 2 with skin on, 2 with skin off.
Lovely.
The skin on makes it a bit more fragrant, nutty. Okay, so I'm just going to use 1 long red chili, but I'm just going to remove the seeds. The seeds are going to make it quite hot and a little bit bitter. Okay. Do you want to start putting everything in the bowl? My dressing's going to be ready in a minute or so.
Oh, is it going to be that quick?
Yeah.
While you're powdering the thing, I'm going to slide the shallot for you.
Okay.
So your salad.
Cool. I'm also going to add 2 bird's eye chilies. The red ones, the longer red ones. They're going to add a bit of heat, but also some fragrance.
Okay, so I'll just put everything in the bowl.
Okay, cool.
So you have sliced shallot,
Yeah.
coriander leaf, like handful, mint, handful as well, some yam bean.
Yeah.
Just give a crunch to the salad. And if you want to grab some bitter leaf,
Sure.
shred the meat of the lychee in.
Just shred the betel leaves in.
So we just mix everything together.
Cool. I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. Probably about 1 tablespoon of sugar.
And this is the grilled pork. You have been marinated pork with like coconut creams and grill it. But you know, if you don't have time,
Just buy it.
just buy it from the som tam stand or.
Well, I'm just going to add a little bit of fish sauce into my dressing to season it. So let's say 1.5 tablespoons. And then I'm just going to add some fresh limes. When I squeeze the lime, don't squeeze too hard. If you squeeze too hard, then you get the bitterness out from the skin.
So with the dressing, you make it slightly hot but not too hot.
Yeah.
Got sourness from the limes.
Absolutely.
Don't make it too sweet because the lychee is quite sweet already.
Dressing's going in.
And just mix it. With Thai salad, you want a lot of dressing, so it should not be lightly dressed at all. Mix it well, pop it on the plate.
Finish with the deep fried shallots. And this is just a wonderful, fresh, summery salad that's perfect as part of a Thai meal.